Hey there, it's Jeff McGinnis, CrossCountry Mortgage. Today's FAQ, what makes up your cash to close? What is cash to close? Well, when you're buying a house, you want to know how much money you're going to need to close on that purchase price. So there are three things that make up your cash to close. One is your down payment, two, your closing costs, and three, your prepaid items. Down payment is super easy to calculate. It's typically a percentage of the purchase price. The closing costs are a little bit different, and they're somewhat variable based off of the loan amount and the purchase price. So there'll be things like title and escrow, the lender fees, an appraisal, things of that nature. Get a good loan estimate from me, and I'll teach you how to read it, and you'll know exactly what your closing costs are. The last item are your prepaid items, so prepaid taxes and insurance get collected up front so that you have enough money to pay for them in April and October in the case of the taxes, and then once a year for the case of the insurance. I'm here to help you. If I can help you and you want to talk to me, go ahead and schedule some time below. Look forward to catching up soon.